Vanessa, you're a reigning brand new Miss Mint 400. How excited are you?
I am so excited to be here. This has been so much fun so far, and so far an amazing experience.
This year, what is great is that everybody's stepping up. General Tire's stepping up. We're a sponsor again this year.
And now with General Tire involved into it, it's just going to be a much bigger party. We run a spec tire. We run obviously a General Tire 33-inch 1250 General Grabber. We run Fox shocks. We run a Curry's rear end housing. We run Method wheels. We also run Mastercraft seats. And most of us drink Azunia tequila.
That's
so
absolutely correct.
I think it's going to be a rough race. Talking to the guys who just got off the track, super rough out there, lots of rocks, and if you make a mistake, it's going to be a big mistake. Go for you.
You know, it was a good dusty start, and you know, we just kind of went for it to get out in front. We knew that's what we had to do today, and we had a good time.
Okay, well, another tough Mint 400. We had a really fast first lap, no problems. Tires, truck worked fantastically. Passed a lot of 7200 cars. All right, so we got Kane Frazier down here. It's not the first time he's been around our crew. Last time he was at the Baja 1000, what an adventure that was, and here you are down here again. What do you think about this?
Oh, it's been great. It was a great time, and really proud of all my crew and everyone.
Say something to this Mint 400 this year?
I said, nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too. He's actually single.